Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate that. If you're new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to another Microphone Mondays. And let me just adjust my mic really quick. And today I have another microphone comparison video, and the two microphones that I'm going to be comparing to each other are the TONOR Q9 and the MAONO AU-A04. So right now, the audio that you are hearing is coming from the TONOR Q9. I have it right here in front of me. And throughout this video, I'm going to switch between the TONOR Q9 and the MAONO AU-A04, which I have right here. And we're going to try to figure out which microphone is the better option. So as usual, I'm going to talk about the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then we're going to do a side-by-side audio test. And then at the end, I'll let you guys know which microphone I think that you would probably be better off going with. And if you would like to know which microphone I'm using at any given time, I'll go ahead and put the name of the microphone in the corner of the screen. And let's go ahead and jump right into this. So let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at the Amazon pages. So both of these microphones are on sale right now. The MAONO AU-A04 is going for $42.11. And the TONOR Q9 is going for $53.99. So they're roughly in the same price range as each other. And both of these microphones also come with free shipping. And I'll go ahead and put the links to these Amazon pages down in the description of this video in case you want to check them out for yourself. And as far as what the microphones come with, they both come with pop filters, wind muffs, boom arm stands for your desk, USB cables, and shock mounts. And aside from those things, the MAONO AU-A04 also comes with a little tripod desk stand. And if we take a look at the TONOR Q9, there are volume controls on the front of the microphone which allow you to control your input volume. The MAONO AU-A04 doesn't have that. And I just want to mention really quick, the quality of the hardware that comes with these two microphones, they're pretty much the same. They're not identical, but I want to say they're pretty similar in quality. And now that we've gone over the physical similarities and differences between these two microphones, let's go ahead and do a side-by-side audio test where I will switch between one microphone and the other pretty quickly. And let's try to get a feel for which microphone we prefer the sound of. And just really quick before I do that, if you guys do like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and get on with our audio test. On the count of 3, I'm going to switch over to the TONOR Q9. Okay guys, so here we are on the TONOR Q9. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the noise floor. Okay, and now let's switch over to the MAONO AU-A04. Alright guys, so now we're on the MAONO AU-A04. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that noise floor. Okay, let's go ahead and switch back to the TONOR Q9. And now we're back at the TONOR Q9. This is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on my keyboard right behind the microphone. And now we're back over at the MAONO AU-A04, and this is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on my keyboard and talking into the mic at the same time. And now we're back on the TONOR Q9. This is what it sounds like when I'm roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. This is what the MAONO AU-A04 sounds like when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the mic. And now try to get your last listen into the Tonor Q9 and try to decide which microphone you prefer the sound of. And now let's go ahead and get our last listen into the MAONO AU-A04. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back and listen to that audio that I just recorded and try to figure out which microphone I think sounds better and which microphone I think that you would be better off going with. Alright guys, so I am back over on the MAONO AU-A04, and when it comes to how these microphones sound, I just gotta say guys, they are both great sounding microphones for the price, and considering the amount of hardware they come with, like these boom arm stands and the shock mounts and everything, I think they're a really great value. Now, when it comes to which microphone I prefer the sound of, there's just a couple things I gotta say. First, I gotta say that the MAONO AU-A04 is much more sensitive to the lower frequencies, and the Tonor Q9 just seems to sound a little bit thinner. And for some reason, I'm not really sure why. I think it just might be because of how my voice is. I do think I prefer how my voice sounds on the A04 over the Q9. However, when it came to playing my guitar and when I was strumming my guitar, I think my guitar did sound better on the Q9 when I was strumming it, because those lower frequencies that the A04 was picking up kind of made it sound a little bit muddy. But it also kind of depends on whether you're going to be EQing your audio or if you're going to go like straight from the microphone into like a streaming platform, because you could always EQ the lower frequencies out. But just generally speaking, I think I do prefer the sound of the MAONO AU-A04. And having said that guys, I have another review on YouTube and I encourage you guys to check it out, where I compare the MAONO AU-A04 to the MAONO AU-PM401, which is this microphone right here. Because I do think that it would be beneficial to you to hear these two microphones side by side to each other. So I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description of this video as well. And once again guys, I will have the Amazon pages for these two microphones linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out. And if you guys did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, I upload new microphone videos every Monday. Make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.